You're sitting at the corner of your bed, thinking all those weight that you gained during the holiday, and you start wondering, maybe I should start being healthy this 2020. But you just don't know how. So you just throw that idea away and continue eating those junk foods, and the next thing you know, you've gained twice as much as you've gained before. Now, well, on this video, I'm gonna tell you the most efficient and less stressful way on losing weight and being healthy. So, stay tuned. So you start your day searching through the web the most easiest way to lose weight. And it always gives you the same results. Cutting all those foods, doing intense workouts, heck, even, not even drinking water. Now what if I tell you that you can actually lose weight and be healthy without cutting all those delicious foods that you want? Heck, you might not even need to work out at all. Sounds interesting? Good. But before we continue, I must tell you that these are personal opinion. It might not work for you, but it definitely worked for me. So if you're still good with that, then let's continue. Okay, before I go to the steps, I need to show you this picture of mine. As you can see, I'm not always this slim. Okay, yes, it's already slim like this. Of course, you can tell because I'm wearing black shirt, but in my standards and for other people, I'm already slim. Okay, I was able to achieve this by following these 3 steps that I will tell you. Step number 1. Determine what is your goal. Your goal may vary from, I want to look like a supermodel, I want to be so jacked off like Hugh Jackman, or you just want to simply lose some pounds and, fit to the old clothes that you really want. And most of the time, and majority of the people actually just want the latter part because we just love to fit on that shirt that we bought. Whatever you decide, no matter how big or small that goal is, always remember that it's up to you. You should be determined and you should always believe that you can actually do this. Because if you don't believe yourself, then there's no one else that can actually help you. So keep that in mind. Step number 2. Adjusting your diet. As I said earlier, you don't need to cut all those delicious food that you need. The secret in losing weight is actually consuming the proper amount of everything. Too much of this is bad. Less of this is bad. So you just need to balance it out and consume the right amount. It includes sugar, carbs, gluten, whatsoever, and whatever other nutrients that is. Just consume the right amount. It will be hard, I guarantee you, because you're so accustomed on just eating whatever you want. But once you start and your body started to adjust, it will make everything easier. But of course, eating green vegetables always help, like a huge help. So always remember that. Step number 3. Moving. If you just decided that I want to do this, and you decide that I'm gonna do it tomorrow, next week, or maybe I will wait my friend to actually start with me, you're not gonna get anywhere. I suggest, like right now, yes, you, the one who's watching, is to stand up and say to yourself that I'm gonna do it today, right now. But of course, after this video, because there's a little bit more information that I'm gonna share, so better stay tuned, okay? Those are the 3 steps that will help you actually start your journey to be healthy this 2020. Starting is the hardest part. That's why I simplified everything that I've tried to these 3 simple steps. Those 3 steps will prepare you to begin your journey this 2020 to a much healthier you. Now for the actual tips. There are only 3 tips that I can actually give you to actually help you lose weight and be healthy. Or basically just lose weight. The first tip that I can share with you is actually reducing the food intake. Some people will tell you that you need to change this, change that, stop eating this, stop eating that. I say no. It will be much harder for you and your body if you actually do this. For the reason being is that your body is so accustomed on certain things that sudden changes will make you crave more than what you're already craving before you even start. I suggest doing it gradually. Start by reducing your consumption of foods that has sugar, fats, and start taking foods that is rich with protein, fiber, etc. Protein helps you build muscles and gives you more energy, and fiber, it helps you digest faster. Now, for the second tip, move your body. Now, before you freak out, it doesn't necessarily mean that you need to actually work out at all, but you need to at least exercise or move your body a little bit. Dieting gives you good results. There's no question on that. But moving your body gives you the best one. Moving your body could be as simple as, walking long distances, standing up from now and then, especially if you are an office worker who usually deals with computers and laptops and just sitting down. It won't hurt to actually just stand up and walk around for 15 minutes. As long as you're doing something, your body is actually using energy. And there are two sources for that energy, which are carbs and stored fats. Now you see where I'm getting at? Using those things actually makes you burn fat and lose weight faster. Now, for example, you're the person who actually wants to work out. I would suggest doing weightlifting and cardio exercises. Now, for weightlifting, there are a lot of exercise or workouts that you can do. Here are some examples. As you can see, this is me lifting heavy weights, but you don't necessarily need to start on that. Pretty much you already know that you need to start from lighter ones. And now for the cardio exercises. It could be as simple as jogging, running, burpees, crunches. Any workouts that actually engages your core is already a cardio or a core exercise. And now for the last and final tip that I can share to you, and which is the crucial one. Don't expect results as soon as possible. These things takes time, with or without workout. Don't be discouraged if your friend who just started a week ago already has changes on his or her body. Stop. Every one of us has different body type. Your body type might be different from him or her, and his or her body type is different from yours. Your body might need a little bit of work before it triggers all the fat burning cells that you have. Your friend's body might just need a little bit. There are a lot of factors, but don't be discouraged about those factors. Just continue what you're doing and be determined and grind. Because at the end of the day, you know your body more than your friend or anyone else. And you know what's best for you. So just keep doing it and be happy. And the next thing you know, you'll be able to fit on that old beautiful clothes or dress or shirt that you really like. And that's it. You're all set to begin your journey this 2020. Now, if you want a more specific workouts, routines, or diet, make sure to comment that down below and make sure to like this video so I'll know that you guys liked it and I will do a follow-up. And don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell so you won't miss any video from me. So this is me signing out and wishing you good luck for your journey. Ciao!